but this is the same chassis.
Yeah.
It's all cut up and I'm doing
Oh, there you go. You get it in different three-wheel motion. Yeah, that's dope, man. Oh yeah.
So you're gonna make it functional?
Pretty sick. I'm feeling these seats. I think I'm gonna go with the seats for the interior. For this one. I just need to it fits in nice. So if you start to look at the inside, like if you hold it like that, see how it doesn't really line up. Oh, like I need to get it so this way it goes. And then if I really want to cheat, I'll get something flat like this, and as I'm pulling that, I'll go like that. There you go. There you go. No air bubbles, no nothing. And it's straight. There you go, look. Damn.
God damn it.
It's all set.
Start over.
Alright, 3.5. Oh, you see it's off. Almost 5.
Doesn't look good?
The measurements. Yeah. Thank you though. Now I'm gonna be filling this out with the order.
Solid color.
All right.
I'm into the solids because of the really cool, just solid color. With Armando?
Simón, Simón.
Or are you doing your model? Look into the camera. Get some air on.
He's already nervous.
Someone needs
He's nervous. He's
Making
nervous.
me shake now, wait.
I had to get. Take all the tape off and do a solid color.
What kind of beer is that? What kind of beer is that?
right, 805, baby.
Right. This is super nice. Comes with a 180 and it goes down all the way to 800.
I just gotta like fit everything, you know, and then get the wheel process. Once I get all that going, then I'm gonna be like, fuck it, let's fucking get it going, you know. Yeah, I still gotta clean it up a little more. I feel like como que todavía tiene, yeah, even still a little bit more like dirt in there. But I'm happy with it so far. I mean, I don't think I'm gonna open it though. I'll be on it for a minute. Let's start doing that. So I'm happy with it right now.
Let's put some tropical glitch. Make the car glitz.
Right? Glitty. That would be sick. What the resin does, it sucks the primer into the wall.
Yeah,
Like plastic, how it sits over it.
Yeah.
Almost reacts like a regular.
I'm gonna primer the inside too. I wanna put more though. I don't know, I get all like, when I start seeing all those little like, bugs, I want to clean all that up. Really,
But you're not gonna see them, though.
yeah, but sometimes I don't know why.
The car's gonna be to the ground, no?
Yeah.
It's flat.
Got it.
What are you doing, Edgar?
I'm primering the inside of the resin body
Okay, and what product are you using?
using Tamiya Surface Primer.
And where can we find that?
Get it now at scaleriders.com. We got the gray, we also got pink and like a red color. So but this is the to go to right here. Recommended. There we go. That's good right there. Spinning it out right here in the sun, so this way it dries out even faster. Then later I'll clean it up a little more and then touch it up again. Yeah. Got it. There. Dang, dude. Going in, huh?
That's right.
Hell yeah. You got to.
Okay, these guys are getting ready for a photo shoot with social distance. I can see that they're already close
Take our pants off.
too much and not wearing a mask. I don't know what the purpose of wearing a mask on a photo shoot when you're not even following directions, regulations. So let's do this, guys. Alrighty, and just move a little bit more this way, Edgar. Okay, right there is good enough. Okay. Well, I can't take a picture of that, but I'm already taking a video. So, okay, so that will be super cool. So let's do this. Let's do this.
Hey, what up, Juan? Yo, you just got here?
Yeah.
Nice. Hit the dance floor and shit. Coming people out.